And let's look at a sort of a cheat. So this is a false Cadel. I'm going to use the verticals I have here. And then from this side, I'm going to cross here, back here, and cross down here. And back over and under and up. Now, this is a really great little tip here, because once you're here, you could always come out and back and up to create a Cadel there, and come around the front, and I would double this up and come back around the front, and I would also double this back up like so. So I'm really sort of tricking the pattern, and I'd want to close this up. So sorry, I'm laughing because it's really sort of mind-bending. So I'm going to close this up and come back up here. And I could even play with this pattern.